Yeah, welcome to the third part of the Caballero diaries. I bought some pretty expensive stuff for the 10-ish followers interested in the Caballero. Did some research and went for the Insta360 X4 combined with the DJI Mic Mini. Did some damn frustrating test rides to find out that the DJI mic doesn't work properly with the X4 if you don't use the DJI receiver. To use the receiver, you need the X4 mic adapter and you will have some additional cables and parts connected to the X4. That's why I lowered the volume of the clips with the awful sound. Some clips recorded with just the X4 or the GoPro with external mic sound quite nice in my opinion, but there's room for improvement of course. That will be better next time. I also switched from Clipchamp to DaVinci, so it took a while to finish the new video. I hope you like it. And back to the Caballero, not too many news about the bike. The coolant keeps the same level and no drops are visible anymore. So maybe the dealer swapped a little of the coolant during filling up, I don't know. just to show you what I mentioned last time. Riding in high gears at low speed is no problem. I guess that I have typically, let's say, 2,500 RPM when I'm riding through cities or similar areas, and revving up from the low RPM is also no problem. I also recorded the 0 to 100 kilometers performance and the top speed performance. Honestly, I don't care too much about these values, but some guys seem to be interested, and yeah. Yeah, the fuel consumption seems to be quite stable. I guess that you can plan with around 4 liters per 100 kilometers. I can't imagine that the engine can consume much more. In the end, no changes to the pros and cons. I removed the coolant leakage issue, as long as I'm not sure if it is a real issue or if the coolant was swapped by the dealer. Yeah, maybe more details next time. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.